Today I'm going to show you how to turn these store-bought crescent rolls into a cheesy garlic loaf of perfection. Let's get started. You need 2 containers of Pillsbury or whatever brand crescent rolls. These are the 8-ounce or 226 gram packages. So we're going to take some butter. This is about a 1/4 cup of butter, and it's soft, so room temperature. And then I'm going to add some of this garlic. It's probably about 2 cloves worth of fresh garlic. I'm not going to add it all. And then I'm going to add some parsley, 1.5 tablespoons of parsley or so. And then a little bit of garlic powder, about a teaspoon or so of that, 1/4 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon, something like that. And we're going to just mix this together and create a nice little garlic buttery paste. I'm just going to throw the rest of that garlic in there. Why not? And the rest of this parsley in there. All right. And now we have the crescent rolls. We've got to open these up. It's always fun to open these up and have them explode in your hands. Woo! Now what we want to do is we want to unroll this sheet of crescent roll. And now we're going to take some of this garlic mixture and let's baste it on the inside here. Excellent. And now we're going to take some mozzarella cheese. You could use a different kind of cheese if you want. You could freshly grate it if you want. You could also do like a little bit of Parmesan cheese on the inside. And this winds up being about 1/2 cup or so of cheese. All right, and then I'm going to just roll this back up. Kind of just seam that down and curl in these edges a little bit. And now it looks like a little bread loaf. Perfect. We're going to come over here to a 5 by 9 inch pan. I'm going to put that on that side right there. And now we have room for the second one. Let's do that second one. And I want to point out, I didn't come up with this recipe. It was trending on TikTok, and I thought I'd show you guys how to do it because it's really awesome. All right, more cheese. Okay, curl down those edges. We'll come back here again, and I lightly sprayed the bread pan with cooking oil, olive oil. Put that right in there. And now if you want, you can baste the tops with butter. You can baste it with like an egg wash if you want. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to bake it just like this. Bake in a preheated oven, 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. And we're going to bake it for 30 to 35 minutes until it raises up and gets nice and golden brown. Now just let it sit for about 5 minutes and then we'll remove it from the pan. And look at that. And you can just pull it apart and do like a pull apart bread style if you want. Or you could just slice it like you would a loaf of bread. All right, let's cut into this. Look at that. Cheesy goodness. Give it a bite. Mmm. Yeah. This is so good. Flaky, garlicky, buttery, cheesy. It's amazing. A great way to elevate store-bought crescent rolls. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. Thumbs up, down the corner, press it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to eat some more of this. Oh yeah. Yeah. Mmm.